Bird Barrier's Dura-Spike is one of the most popular and easy to use bird deterrent products available, and it is effective against large birds like pigeons and gulls. Dura-Spike is made 100% from marine-grade stainless steel, so it will provide many, many years of reliable protection. And like most of the Bird Barrier family, it virtually disappears at a distance. Dura-Spike can be mounted to a flat or curved surface. Its base bends easily for curved signs. Dura-Spike is effective on parapet caps, windowsills, signs, steel beams, chimneys, roof peaks, pipes, and street lights. However, Dura-Spike should not be installed where birds are nesting or have been living for many years. Bird Barrier offers other products for these heavy pressure situations. Dura-Spike is available in 3 models. Dura-Spike Narrow is 2.5 inches wide. Dura-Spike Wide is 5 inches wide. And Dura-Spike Extra Wide is 8 inches wide. Dura-Spike is packaged in an ingenious, space-saving case containing 34 3-foot pieces, cleverly stacked on top of each other, making it easier to ship and, more importantly, to carry up to a roof. Before the spikes can be installed, it is important to understand the correct spacing. The basic rules of spacing are as follows. The tips of the spikes must extend past the edge of the ledge by at least 1/2 inch. 3/4 of an inch is recommended. When installing multiple rows, the tips of the spikes can be up to 2 inches apart from each other. That's free protection. When installing on a one-sided ledge, a ledge with a back wall, a 2-inch gap is also acceptable. When installing on a two-sided ledge, the product must overhang both sides of the ledge. Various sizes of Dura-Spike can be used in combination to protect any size ledge. Keep in mind the 2-inch spacing rule. For short applications like signs, the base of the spike can be cut using these shears that are available from Bird Barrier. Dura-Spike is generally glued to the surface. This is a fast and long-lasting technique and eliminates the need for screw holes in the building. Bird Barrier Bond is a neutral gray UV stabilized adhesive that stays pliable while holding the product securely to the surface. Temperature changes will not adversely impact the bond. It is a moisture-curable, advanced urethane bonding agent that is exceptional on most building materials, including stone, masonry, metal, and a variety of others. Apply a long bead of Bird Barrier Bond to the bottom of the product. Make sure that some of the bond comes up through a few of the screw holes for an even stronger hold. We strongly advise that you use the Bird Barrier Bond for long-term satisfaction and because warranty claims are only recognized if the bond is used. This 10-ounce tube fits into a standard caulking gun and will secure 35 feet of Dura-Spike. Please note that in colder temperatures, the bond takes longer to cure. Here's a handy tip for installation. The product sits upside down in the box, so when the box is open from the top, you are actually looking at the bottom of the Dura-Spike. Apply the bond to the product while it's still in the box. Then lift it out and set it down on the surface. This is a huge time saver. With easy access, an installer should be able to apply 3 to 6 feet of Dura-Spike per minute to a clean, stable surface. If you prefer, screw holes are provided at regular intervals, so a self-tapping screw can be run through to the surface below. Use a long extension tip as the rods are more than 4 inches.